Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple hair treatment. This treatment will help to strengthen your hair, to thicken it, also to treat some bald spots. So keep watching and enjoy the video. The first ingredient we'll be needing for our hair treatment is cloves. With me here, I have cloves that I will be using. Cloves is powerful because it helps to thicken hair, to strengthen it, also to add shine. If you have bald spot, you have hair thinning, then you should consider adding ingredients like cloves to your hair care routine. If you don't know anything about cloves, this herb is really powerful and effective, and you will see changes in a couple of uses. So we will also be needing green tea. So this is the green tea leaves I bought this locally. That's why it's looking like this. But if you have the other type of green tea, either in tea bags or fresh green tea, you can use as well. Green tea leaves are rich source of antioxidants. It also helps to block DHT. A DHT is a chemical compound that makes your hair shed unnecessarily. So to stop that DHT, you need to add DHT blockers to your hair care routine like green tea. So green tea is really important. We will also be needing onions, and I'm using red onions or purple onions. You can also use white onion for this recipe. Onions are a great source of sulfur, which helps to thicken hair and to strengthen your hair. If your hair is weak, then it lacks keratin, and our hair is made up of keratin. So with onions, the keratin is supported and your hair grows stronger without breaking unnecessarily. So onions also helps to thicken hair, to treat bald spot, alopecia, and hair thinning. So if you have these problems, you need to add onions to your hair care routine, and you will experience change. Your hair will grow thicker than never before. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and grab myself a mason jar, and I'm gonna add all the ingredients in this jar. I'm using a small jar. Just use any size of the jar or any container you have to transfer these ingredients. So for green tea, I'm just adding like a teaspoon or half tablespoon because it is really powerful and potent. Also for the cloves, I'm going to add a few cloves. Also, it is very powerful and strong. So just a few of the cloves are enough. So right now I'm proceeding to add hot water. Always use hot water when infusing these ingredients if you want the infusion process to go faster, and also if you want the ingredients to infuse well and release all the nutrients, then you need to add hot water. As you can see, my hands are burnt by the water. The water is really hot. So I left the treatment to infuse for overnight, and this is how it's looking like. Now I'm gonna be straining out and get the extract. So if you guys are still watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing, and also give this video a thumbs up and share so that someone can get help. So after straining out, this is how it's looking like. You can see how amazing it's looking. Just look how the color is looking amazing, which means that all the nutrients is released from the ingredients. So right now I'm going to be transferring this to an applicator bottle so I can proceed with the application process. So if you don't have any applicator bottle, you need to buy one, because if you are planning to start growing your hair, then you need something like a spray bottle for your application processes to be much easier. And with an applicator bottle, you won't waste a lot of treatment because you will be spraying smoothly to your hair. Into the application, I'll be using this treatment as a leave-in as usual. If you're not new here, you know that I always like to use these hairsprays as leave-in treatment, and they have really helped me to grow my hair this thick. My hair has been thin and I have come from far. So I have been using these herbal teas as leave-in treatment most of the times, and I mean almost 100%. I use them as leave-in treatments, and they have really helped my hair to grow faster, thicker, and healthy. So this treatment is a game changer. So I'm applying this starting from the scalp. I spray on my scalp first, then I massage a little bit for the treatment to penetrate into my scalp. And then I move to the hair strands, spray it from the root to the ends, making sure that each section is well saturated and hydrated. So using this treatment will help to thicken your hair. It will also help to eliminate all the sorts of scalp issues like dandruff and irritation. So because of the ingredients I have used, they are really powerful and effective. If you have hair thinning and if your hair is shedding unnecessarily, and if your hair is breaking, if you have um, damaged hairline, then you can incorporate this kind of herbal tea to your hair care routine. And most um, importantly, you need to use it as a leave-in treatment. You can use this at least 2 to 3 times a week if you want immediate result. Apply to your scalp and hair. Focus on your damaged areas, your bald spots, your thinning areas, and take time to massage it. Once you apply, do not forget to massage. Massaging it on your scalp is really important. So that one is inevitable if you want to grow your hair faster, or if you want to grow the hair where you don't have. So applying this will really help, and massaging it will help. So this treatment is really amazing. You can also use it as a rinse off. After you're done applying this treatment, do not forget to follow up with other moisturizing routine, applying your leave-in conditioner and then hair butter. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Also, like this video, share, and do not forget to comment if you have any comment. I will see you in the next video. Bye.